Now, to open the hood on a 2013 Ford Escape, the first thing you're going to do is pull this lever back right here, and that will pop your hood. And then you'll have to lift up the hood so you can get a gap. It's a little bit different than most vehicles. It's got this little lever over on this side, and that's what you're going to push to open your hood. So you're going to pull this lever here, pull that back, and then you can lift up on the hood. And there you'll have your engine. So that's how you go about opening the hood on a 2013, and it goes through 2019 Ford Escape. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.